Hey, what's up, friends? Just gonna do a little video on a WLToys Cessna-182. You can get this from rcmoment.com. Here it is. I already pulled it out of the box. Main fuselage, main wing. Got some landing gear. Come with a little 1-cell 500 milliamp LiPo 25C. Also give you a little screwdriver, charger. I like the charger that I can charge it right off my computer or any USB port. And you got an extra prop. For the instructions here, it's really just a simple setup. I think we can bypass those. Here you got your main wing. Comes all boxed up real nice. Here's your battery hatch, elevator, rudder. All I did was pull it out of the box. Take and install your main wing. You can lock your landing gear on there. Great little flyer. I already flew it in my front yard. It handles great. For the motor, I noticed it comes with three little motors that power the propeller, which is pretty cool. It's got a lot of power too. And the instructions, basically it tells you to fire this thing up. You just put your batteries in your transmitter. Go ahead and plug her in. And once you plug it in, you just simply turn it on. And it automatically binds. For the switch up here, this is just for high and low rates. You can see it changes over to the high and the low. And I prefer it on the high rates when I'm flying it. Toss the battery back down in there. Again, we got our rudder, elevator, and throttle. Like I said, it's got some power to it. Got three little brush motors in there. But again, you can get this at rcmoment.com. It's a little Cessna 182 3-channel. I'll go ahead and get you guys a flight video in the morning. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Over and out.